Scene 3. Rio gets kidnapped. Take 6. And action. Well, so Rio, don't you like to go on those? Well, for once, I'd like to stay right here with my friends. Oh, thanks. Good night. Good night. Okay. Maybe I'm gonna go take a Meanwhile,
They're not here.
what? What's that? Inflated. I shouldn't have left him. I gotta save him. He's in trouble. I can feel it in my feathers. I gotta help him. Where is he? He could be anywhere in this world. Help!
Here.
Don't worry, lady. I'll save you.
Here.
I'll save you.
Here, sir.
Flighty, where are you? What the? Oh, crud. Dun, dun, dun. So, I think you're going to escape me. Well, just make sure that